Whatever you thought you saw in the dead of the night might just not be a figment of your own imagination, especially if your pitbull goes missing around the same time. There have been plenty of talks about the appearances of mysterious animals dating back centuries. While there is less supporting evidence, it is also impossible to disapprove them. Curious? Below is a list of 10 most mysterious animals claimed to be seen throughout the world. Number 10. Sigbin. The Sigbin is a creature of Philippine mythology said to come out at night to suck the blood of victims from their shadows. The creature walks backwards with its head lower between its hind legs. Scientists discovered a fox cat-like creature whose hind legs were longer than the forelegs. They said it resembled the Sigbin, but there was no conclusive evidence. Apparently, the Sigbin is very good at covering its tracks. Number 9. Alman. The Alman, which is also sometimes called as Cornish Alman or the Alman of Monan. This creature was spotted around mid-1976 in the village of Monan, Cornwall, United Kingdom. The creature was repeatedly seen in the same year up to the year 1978. The Alman is sometimes compared to America's Mothman, as there were reports of UFOs and animals behaving strangely prior to its sighting. Number 8. Flatwoods Monster. The Flatwood Monster, also known as the Branson County Monster or the Phantom of Flatwoods. This creature was reported to have been sighted in the town of Flatwoods in Branson County, West Virginia, United States, on September 12, 1952, and it was first spotted close to a UFO hovering over the ground. Number 7. Dover Demon. The Dover Demon is a creature reportedly sighted in the town of Dover, Massachusetts, on April 21 and April 22, 1997. It remains to be the most mysterious creature to date because it was only seen by a few people. Just by 3 people, Bill Butler and John Baxter. The next day another 15-year-old called Avi Braham also sighted the same creature. The 3 gave the same description of the creature. Number 6. Montauk Monster. The Montauk Monster was an animal carcass thought to be a raccoon that was ashore on a beach near the business district of Montauk, New York in July 2008. This strange-looking carcass quickly made national news. Speculations about the creature's identity includes a raccoon, a turtle without its shell, a water rat, a latex hoax, and best of all, the byproduct of an animal experiment at the nearby government testing site at Plum Island. Before it could be determined what Montauk Monster was, it disappeared. Number 5. Mothman. For over a year since 1966, there was a series of weird sightings of a strange creature in West Virginia. A few eyewitnesses claimed that they have seen a winged humanoid being. It was dubbed Mothman by news reporters. Apparently, the creature had a weird effect on those who encountered it. They would start to change prophecies from ultra-terrestrial entities, which turned out to be false in most cases. Number 4. Jersey Devil. This creature looks like a horse, but has wide horns and wings shaped like bats. These creatures also have hands and stand on 2 legs. It is also called the Leeds Devil in the legendary cryptid creatures that inhabit the Pine Barren regions in southern New Jersey, although its identity remains mysterious. But in 1909, more than 1,000 people in 30 cities in America, especially around New Jersey, claim to have seen it. Number 3. Chupacabra. El Chupacabra, or the Goat Sucker, is a creature who was first seen in the 1970s. However, sightings escalated in the 90s. Initial reports stated that a terrifying creature that was killing livestock in Puerto Rico. Farmers claimed that the creature never tried to eat its prey, unlike other wild animals. Instead, it drained their blood through small incisions. Later, the creature was seen on numerous occasions in Mexico, Texas, and some South American countries. It is claimed that one of the creatures has been caught and handed over to the US government. Number 2. Agagwe. This creature was first known to exist in about 1900 by Captain William Hitchens, but only made public in 1937. William found this creature in East Africa. According to him, Agagwe was shaped like a man and walked away, but smallish like dwarfs, as well as reddish hair all over his body. William said Agagwe he saw resembled a man, but only 4 feet tall. In 1938, a man named Cuthbert Bourgogne also viewed Agagwe in East Africa. There is a theory which states that if Agagwe may include gracile Australopithecine species, one species of primate that ever lived in Africa, but has been extinct since thousands of years. Number 1. Yeti. The Yeti, or abominable snowman, is one of the most frequently cited mysterious animals on this list. The creature is a hairy ape man popularly referred to as Bigfoot, skunk ape, Yowie, or Sasquatch. This creature has been sighted in mountain areas and isolated woodlands in all corners of the globe. The numerous sightings of this creature make it highly likely that it's real. Whether it's an unknown species of an ape or ancient relatives of human, we may never know. This was the list of 10 mysterious animals. If you like, please subscribe and see you in the next video.